Alright, Seagull models 75-inch decathlon, or 68-inch. I don't remember. I'll tell you in the title. Alright, let's Seagull Super Decathlon anyhow. Alright, got the run cam on the top, aiming backwards for a change. See what happens. Bit windy. Nice takeoff. Around we go. Where we stop, we never know. Just cruising, just below half. Oh, that wasn't much of a snap, not enough speed. Yeah, I'm flying over that truck, but he's at the end of my runway. Just cruising around, having fun. Oh, high-speed stall there or something. That was weird. Heart skipped a beat there for a second. Nice small snap. Nice little pass. Another nice low pass. Up. No, not enough speed. Working on the knife edge. And knife edge. That's a good snap. High speed over the whole dim. Up into a roll. Lower down a bit. Nice big flat turn. Wind's changed directions again. Son of a beach. Crosswind. On my truck. It was a landing. I don't know if I want to call it a good landing, but it was a landing. Happy with it. Like I said, any landing you can taxi back to yourself from is a good landing. Okay, we'll turn this camera off. Just hold it until it beeps. There we go, it's off. Alright, well, that's a Seagull Decathlon, Super Decathlon. 5S. Battery in it, 5500. I forget what C it is and what make. It's gray. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.